What is up guys? Ito panibagong topic tayo mga kababayan regarding nga po dito nga po sa pork barrel ng mga senador mga kababayan. At alam niyo ba na ang dati nilang pondo ay halos nabawasan ng 50% o kalahati dahil ang kanilang pondo dati sumaabot ng 6 na bilyong piso na ngayon is ibinababa ng 3 bilyon piso. Kaya naman mga kababayan, ang mga senador umalma mga kababayan. Pero bago lahat, panoorin niyo muna itong video na ito.
Ikinadismaya ng ilang senador matapos tapyasan ng 50% ang kanilang pork barrel fund sa ilalim ng 2024 national budget. Ayon sa ating scooper, pinagpaliwanag ng ilang kasamahan sa Senado, sina Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri at Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva kung bakit nasa 3 bilyong piso na lang ang kanilang pondo bawat senador. Giit ng mga ito, malayo ang kasalukuyang pondo sa 5 hanggang 6 na bilyong pisong pondo na natatanggap nila noong 2023 sa ilalim ng Marcos administration. Sa kabila nito, tila nakahinga ng maluwag ang mga senador matapos masecure ng 3 mambabatas ang nasa 100 billion pesos na pondo para sa Senado.
O yun na mga kababayan, napanood nyo na nga po yung video mga kababayan. I-comment down below nyo kung ano masasabi nyo dito mga kababayan na sasabihin ko, sa babasahin ko at sa napanood yung video. A leadership firestorm in reportedly brewing in the Senate over the alleged brazen reduction of Senator Pork Barrel Fund by 3 of their college Politico has learned. Ince Cooper said the proposed 160 billion fund for Senator pet projects under the 5.768 trillion General Appropriation Bill was slashed to 60 billion in the final signed version of the measure, the 2024 General Appropriation Act. That meant 20 senators had to make do withdrew 3 billion for their pet project, a drastic drop from the 5 to 6 billion. And mga kababayan, 5 to 6 billion sila dati. They reportedly received 2023 in the first year of Marcos administration. Ayan, 5 to 6 billion yung kanila nakuha nung nakaraang taon na pamumuno ni President Bongbong Marcos nung 2023 mga kababayan. So where did the 100 billion go? Ince Cooper point to 3 Chiming Senator or SS as the supposed beneficiary of the largest, mga kababayan. SS1 allegedly got the biggest chunk of the pie at 60 billion, followed by SS2 who was said to have gotten 30 billion. The remaining 10 billion reportedly went to SS3 who known to be close to SS1 and SS2. Senators disgruntled by the action of SS1, 2, and 3 are no longer surprised by their perceived obsession with money since they know to have an insatiable appetite for excess from their days as member of the House of Representatives. Unlike many of their colleagues who divide the pork barrel fund into SOF, also known as social services, and hard projects infrastructure, SS1 and 2 and 3 are allegedly channeling their homogeneous allocation into initiatives where commission are believed to the largest. In the other words, barely any fund reportedly been allotted for social services from the multi-billion peso pork barrel allocation of SS1, 2, and 3 because the money has allegedly been earmarked for the building roads and the other infrastructure project. SS1 the holier than thou, SS2 and 3 are said to be closing rank as they try to calm their disgruntled college over the sudden and unfair pork barrel fund reduction. Time will tell if they will succeed, for their head will roll. So ayun mga kababayan, ang sabi nga po dito sa huli mga kababayan na sinubukan nilang pakalmayin yung kanilang mga kasamahan mga kababayan na dahil nga po sa pagbabawas ng fat ng pork barrel, mga kababayan. Kayo, anong masasabi niyo dito mga kababayan? Comment down below nyo na lang. And God bless us all. Thank you.